Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to share these super cute little tags I made. These are some bunny tags and I made them out of burlap. So this is what I used. I used these tags, this tag here that I have from Recollections, and I got these at Michael's. You can use any burlap you have. And then I cut some little ears for my bunny, and I cut them out of this also. So all you need to do is kind of cut like an oval shape and kind of give it like a little, bunny ear shape. So let me show you how I made these, but I think these came out super cute. I just thought, how cute would it be to make maybe like a face on the canvas, and at the ears, and make it all look super cute. I used some felt for the eyes and for the nose. So let me show you how to create these, okay? And on the back it just says to and from, so you can add them on your packages, and super cute gift. All right, so let me show you how I created these. I actually made this video already before, and that's why I have my fingers all like with paint, and something happened and I just couldn't post that video. So I'm gonna do it again. Hopefully nothing happens on this one. So I'm going to put this here, and I have some paint in here. Let me add more paint because we're gonna need more paint. Okay. So all we're gonna do, guys, is concentrate our paint in the middle of the tag, because that's where our face is going to be, our bunny face. So that's all I'm doing. I'm just putting the paint in the middle, concentrating it in the middle. I think these are so cute. I love the burlap. I don't know, it just gives it like a very organic look, very kind of like country. I don't know, I just really like it. So once you have the paint concentrated in the middle, then we can just start adding a little bit more paint on all the sides. But you don't want to cover the whole like burlap, because you still want to see part of that burlap tag. I don't know, I think that's what it gives it like that. Sorry for the noises you might hear in the background, but I have my window open, and yeah. And I'm not going to remake this video, so I'm sorry guys. So you do that like that. Let me just put a little bit more over here like that. So you do that. All right, so now we're gonna do our ears, our bunny ears. And again, the same thing, you're just going to concentrate the paint in the middle of the ear like that. Now if you want to paint the whole tag and all the ears with white, you could totally do that. I don't do it because I like to see part of that burlap. And then that's that. Then I'm going to do my other ear. So like that. That. Oh my God, why is it that every time I make a video, like, there are all these noises, and when I'm not doing anything, everything is so quiet. I just, seriously. Okay, so I have that. So because of the video, I'm going to put these aside to dry, and I already have one here that I made earlier, and it's dried. Okay, so now that we have this, we are going to glue our tag on the back, and I have this tag already that I made. So you're just gonna make a tag and punch a little hole there, and I'm actually gonna cut a little bit because I think it's a little bit too long there. So and then you're just going to glue your tag. You're going to line it up with the hole there, and you're going to glue it on the back like that. Okay, so I'm just going to use my glue gun for this, but you can use any kind of glue that you like. And I'm just going to line it up with that hole there. Okay, like that. I wrote to and from. You can stamp it if you want. You can stamp that if you want, if you don't want to write the to and from. And then I'm just going to glue the tag on the back, like that. Just like that. All right, so now we have our little tag, and it's kind of crooked though, but it doesn't matter. Okay, now that we have that part, we are going to glue our little ears like that, and like that. So I'm just going to put some glue over here. Oh, my glue, I don't know what's going on with my glue. All right, so I'm just going to attach my ear here, like that. And then I'm going to put more glue on the other ear. And I'm going to attach this ear, like that. Okay. And then if you want to put more glue, you could do that. I'm going to put a little bit more glue. And you can use any glue you like. I'm just using the glue gun because it's, you know, it's a little bit, it just dries faster. And then you're going to curve your little ears a little bit like that. I like that because it just adds dimension, I think. And I don't know, I just really like that look. So how cute, right? Now we are going to add our little eyes, and I already have these cut here, but all you're going to do, guys, is on the felt, I use some of the this jelly pen in white, and you're just going to draw like a little line like that, like a curve. I don't know if you can see a little curve like that, and then you're just going to start drawing like a little eyelash, and then you go in and out, and you do like 3 little eyelashes. And then you're going to cut that, and then you're going to use the other side because you might see some of the white from that side, so you're going to use the other side. Okay? Super easy, guys. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You know, this is handmade. It's not, you know, it doesn't have to be perfect, like I said. And I'm just going to put some glue there. And I'm going to put my little eye. Oops. There you go. Just going to put my little eye. Again, you can use any glue you want. Sometimes, yeah, the glue gun, it's a bit tricky because it just has so many like strings. So you could also use cardstock if you don't want to use the felt. You could totally use cardstock. All right. And then I'm going to do my other little eye right there, like that. How cute. How cute it's looking, right? I think I need to put a little bit more glue over here, so I'm just going to add a little bit more glue there. Okay, like that. Now we're going to add our little nose, and I'm just going to put some glue there, and I'm going to add my little nose right there. Right there. So look how cute this is looking. These are super easy, guys. Again, if you don't want to use the felt, you can use it with cardstock. If you don't want to do the eyes like that, you could use googly eyes. But I kind of wanted to make it look like it has the eyes closed, and you know, has like the little eyelashes. And as you can see, like these are different from these. I made these came out a little bit different. It doesn't matter. However, you know, they come out. Again, like this one is not exactly like this one, but like I said, it doesn't matter, you know, it's organic, it's handmade, it's not supposed to be perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna draw our little mouth like I did here, and I'm gonna use a black jelly roll pen, or this is the glaze pen, and I think this is what's gonna work the best, seriously, to write on the paint and on the burlap. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just going to draw a little line coming down like that. Okay. Ooh, I feel like my paint is not super dry yet. All right. And then I'm just going to do a little curve like that for the mouth. And I'm going to do another one on the other side. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Like that. Okay? And then we're going to draw some little dots here for the cheeks. Just like that. Okay? So cute. All right, now we are going to ink our little cheeks. You do want to let the glaze pen dry for a minute, just that, you know, to prevent that maybe it, you know, rubs off and you make a mess. If you do, because I did have that accident, you can just put some white paint all over again and then do it again, okay? But let's just do our little cheeks now, and I'm going to use this dabber, and I'm going to use this Stress Oxide in Worn lipstick, and I'm going to ink the cheeks. So I'm going to try not to touch the paint there, the black ink there. And you do your cheeks however you want. I like them to be big and very strong, but you know, you could do them however you want. Just inking the cheeks there, and look how cute. All right, so we have that part done. Super fast. These are super fast, guys. Then we're going to add some pom-pom trim. I have some pom-pom trim right here. One moment, guys. You can add any trim you like. I'm just gonna be adding my pom-pom trim because I don't know, that's what I want to do right now. And sorry guys, I forgot to have this ready here. Okay, just cutting my trim right now. Okay, so I'm going to add some glue right here, and I'm gonna add my trim right there. Okay, and I'm just going to keep on gluing, and I'm gonna add my trim right there, like that. Again, you don't have to use pom-pom trim, you can use any trim that you have, but look how cute. All right, so now we're almost finished. The last thing that we're going to do is add our trims on the top. So I'm just gonna add these trims here. Gonna pass them through. All right, just like that. Just like that, okay? And then I have this piece of twine, and I'm just gonna wrap it around. So you're gonna wrap it around, and you're going to tie it like that. And then you're going to make a bow. So just going to make a little bow until you're satisfied with your bow. Like that. It's always tricky to make bows, but you know. All right, so I'm gonna cut the excess here. Okay, and then my trims over here I'm also gonna cut a bit because I think they're a bit too long there. So there. So I hope you saw what I did. I just cut a bit there and I made my little bow. And then I'm gonna add a little something here on the bow. You don't have to do that, but I just like to add, you know, little details. I just feel that it just looks so much cuter when you add those little details, you know. So I'm adding like this little resin bow. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of glue there, and I'm gonna add a little tiny button I have. I'm just gonna add it on top of that resin bow. And there you go, guys. How adorable. And pretty much that's her little bunny tag. Look how adorable it looks. So there we have a couple that I made. You see? And not all the time, you know, the face is gonna look the same. Like this one, you see my lips are a bit bigger. This one, they're a bit smaller. The eyes are always gonna be different. Unless you have like a template or a die that cuts this, then it's even better. But I really like this look. I love that they look so like organic, so like country looking. I love these tags. So I hope that you like this tutorial. I hope you give it a try. These are super easy and super fun, and they're really nice gifts. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and take care. Bye.